Hi, have you ever repotted big pots?
Today we're gonna repot the Ficus Alii or Ficus maclellandii. I'm so excited to do that. Let's get started. Don't choose a pot much larger than the previous, as this could drown the plant's roots. Typically, you want to choose a potting vessel 2 or 4 larger in diameter to allow for growth. Make sure that the new pot also has a few holes in the bottom to aid drainage. Avoid choosing a pot that is significantly larger than the root system, as it can stunt the plant's growth. In addition, humidity below and soil surface are not the same. While you recognize plant moisture requirements according to soil surface, while below soil is wet, you water the plant, and after a while you see the roots rot and plant is died. So don't choose a pot that is significantly larger than the root system. Place 2.5 cm layer of small rocks into the new pot. This will aid the pot in water drainage and prevent soggy soil.
For larger plants, we suggest repotting every 18 to 24 months. Spring or summer is the ideal time to repot as the plant is at this stronger.
Pot-bound plants are more prone to developing diseases or becoming starved of nutrients. If you notice any of the 3 signs, repot your plant as soon as you can. 1. Standard foliage growth. 2. Roots growing through the drainage holes. 3. Weak or wilting foliage. Instead of tucking on the ficus, squeeze both sides of a container and turn it upside down. Tap the bottom of the pot until you loosen the plant and pull it out gently at the base. Tucking on the ficus tree can damage or remove its leaves and flowers. Have a friend stand near the upside down. Your ficus needs well-draining soil, preferably pellet, sand, leaf soil, manure, peat moss mix to prevent it from becoming waterlogged. Add soil until the pot is about 1/2 of the way full. You will fill it up completely as you transplant the ficus. To check soil drainage, dig a 1-foot hole into the dirt and fill it with water. If the soil drains completely, within 2 or 5 minutes, it is well-draining soil. Loosen the roots before replanting the ficus. Use your hands to loosen the root ball as much as you can without breaking it. This will help the ficus absorb more water and nutrients when you transplant it and adapt better to its new container. Place your ficus into the pot and fill it with soil. Position the ficus tree upright into the pot. Fill the rest of the pot with soil until you reach the soil level of the plant's original level. Don't make your soil level any higher than the original container, which can suffocate the roots. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye.